How to see all games you played on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I'll be providing you with a detailed guidance on accessing a comprehensive list of all the games you have participated in Roblox. So the process is both rapid and straightforward, so be sure to follow along attentively. Initially, in order to view the entirety of the games you have engaged with on Roblox, you can employ either on the Roblox website or the Roblox desktop application. Access the Roblox website by clicking on typing www.roblox.com into the web address bar and ensure that you have the latest version of the desktop app installed. Subsequently, the following step entails signing into your account first, whether it be on the website or using a Roblox Fair. Enter the account through which you have interacted with the games you desire to inspect, and once you have successfully logged in, any game you played through the Discovery tab or the Home tab is documented on the Continue tab. As illustrated in this demonstration, I have engaged in Blocks Routes, Skateboard Obby, Ride a Car Stimulator, Rampan, and many more, which are displayed on the homepage within the Continue section. If your collection of the games is extensive, the Continue page may become saturated, necessitating you to click on See All option in the top, and this will display every game you have participated in. The listing is organized based on the recency of your activities. When this Continue or See All page, you will discover a comprehensive overview of all the games you have enjoyed across your various Roblox accounts. So I trust that this guidance has been beneficial in helping you navigate through your gaming history on Roblox. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.